Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove browsing history on Temu. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Temu. So go to Temu and log into your Temu account. So once you're on your Temu account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your orders tab. So when you hover over your orders and account settings here, so click hover over to it, and then under the drop down menu you should be seeing your browsing history options there. So click on it. So once you click on the browsing history options here, so this will load up your browsing history. So whatever you have searched before, so that will load up here. So what you're going to do, you're going to simply select the history that you want to remove. So for example here, select the item and you'll see three dots there. If you hover over your cursor, you will see the delete option there. Simply click on the delete option, and then that will remove the item from your history. So that's how you can remove your history on Temu. So it's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.